Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Cthulhu versus Leviathan. We'll dive deep into the lore of these legendary sea monsters, exploring their origins, powers, and the unique threats they pose. Get ready to uncover what makes each of these creatures truly terrifying and decide which one might be considered the most formidable. The Kraken, a colossal squid or octopus, terrorizes sailors with its physical might, capable of dragging entire ships into the abyss. The Leviathan, on the other hand, is a creature of immense scale, often described as a multi-headed sea serpent or whale, symbolizing the untamable power of the deep. While both are physical threats, the Leviathan often carries a more ancient, almost divine, significance. Cthulhu stands apart from the Kraken and Leviathan due to its cosmic horror nature. This ancient entity doesn't just destroy ships or embody natural chaos, it corrupts minds and shatters sanity. Its power is not merely physical but existential, threatening the very fabric of reality. Encountering Cthulhu means facing an incomprehensible, alien intelligence that can drive you mad with a mere thought. So, which is better? If you're looking for a physical challenge, the Kraken or Leviathan would be your formidable foe, capable of immense destruction. However, if you seek a truly existential and mind-bending horror, Cthulhu reigns supreme. Its power to corrupt and destroy sanity makes it an unparalleled threat, far beyond any earthly creature. For more great content and deals, including a link for leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.